Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are excited to showcase some stunning and innovative window grille designs for houses. Windows not only provide ventilation and natural light but also play a crucial role in enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you are looking for a traditional, modern, or contemporary design, we have got you covered. Our collection features a wide range of window grille designs that will perfectly complement any architectural style. From intricate patterns to sleek and minimalist designs, there is something for everyone. We understand that safety is a top priority, especially when it comes to window grilles. That's why all the designs we present are not only visually appealing but also highly durable and secure. In this video, we will take you through a visual tour of various window grille designs, highlighting their unique features and benefits. You will get a chance to see how these designs can transform the look of your house, making it stand out in the neighborhood. Whether you are renovating your existing home or building a new one, our window grille designs will inspire you to create a beautiful and safe living space. We believe that every detail matters, and the right window grille design can make a significant difference in the overall ambiance of your house. So, if you are looking for ideas and inspiration to elevate your home's exterior, make sure to watch this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts and favorite designs. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy this showcase of stunning window grille designs for houses.